guys, it's Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. We're back. I'm about to go out on a trip, and yeah, I just wanted to make a video. I saw in the comment section someone asked me. Someone asked me, "What is hedging?" So I wanted to use the opportunity to talk about hedging. All right, hedging is basically my secret strategy. Okay. Hedging is the secret strategy for my success. Okay, hedging is the reason why I've been able to be so successful scalping. What is hedging? Hedging is what the banks use. Hedging is what the hedge funds use. Hedging is a way of, for example, if you make a loss in the market, instead of accepting that loss, which is what most stop loss traders do, you make profit to cover the loss. For you to make profit to cover the loss, that means you have to know where the market is going. 100% know where the market is now going. Let's say you were buying, you have to know when and where it became a sell market. Once you know that, then you can start selling to cover the loss of the buy. And if you make enough profit from selling, you can cover the loss. Let's say you're in $100 loss. If you make $100 profits, you cancel each other out. You close in $100 profit, $100 loss. Maybe you pay only commissions. Maybe you don't because you made extra profit. Let's say, in fact, you made $120 profit. Then you come out with more profit while hedging. Now, if you have 9 losses and 1 win and you are hedging, you make 9 losses, you come out with 0, 0, 0, no loss. You make $120 and then you come out with profit. But if you're using stop loss, you make 9 losses, your account is wiped out. Your one profit won't matter. Your one profit will not matter. Okay, so hedging is a way of compounding your account very fast. Now, how do you hedge? I have a software that I made that helps with hedging. It goes on based only technicals. It doesn't use indicators. Like I said, indicators don't work. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use Bollinger. They will make you fail. They can never ever predict the future. You have to trade the price. The market looks at the price. It's calculating from every tick. Okay, every tick in the market. A tick is smaller than a pip. It's calculates every single market move. Okay, the software comes with the course. Once you get the course, it comes free with the course, or you can just buy it separately on the website. Okay, hedgingmastermind.com. And if you want to learn how to trade, you want to learn how to do it the right way, you go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you cannot trade and you want to connect to my account, simply send me copy, okay, on Telegram. Telegram link is in the description below. We're up over 5,000 members. We're trying to get it to 10 to 15,000 members before the end of the year, which I'm sure we will do. And yeah, you send me copy, you'll be able to connect to my account. Make sure you have at least $500 to be able to fund your account with, so that you'll be able to take the trades that I take. For example, if you have $10,000 in your account, and if I have $10,000 in my account and you have $1,000, if I take one lot size, the PAM account automatically converts it for you to 0.1 lot. Okay, and we'll be hedging on the account, so you won't take any losses, so you have nothing to lose. Better than keeping it in the bank or locking it somewhere where it's not making any profits. You put it here, you make profits, you have nothing to lose. Even if the profit is small, it's still better than nothing. Even if the profit is big, then you gained extra than leaving it in your account. So, and you know that my own funds is at risk also. Okay, and I'm putting in more funds than majority of everyone. Okay, I'm not saying everyone, but majority of the people who are going to do during the copy trades. So I'm putting my account at risk also. So I also have risk. You take majority of the profit, which is 90%, and I take 10% of the profit, which is split every month. This is for my subscribers to at least make some money while you're on the channel. Unlike going to other channels, you're not making any money. You can continue to fight me, continue to use your support and resistance, continue to use your indicators, while you're doing all that, at least you put your money in the copy trade account and you're making money while you're, arguing with me about why support and resistance is good and losing money. Okay, so you don't totally lose your money. Now, if you can take trades, you want to learn, you just want to start somewhere, you have a little amount of money, at least $50. I always recommend minimum $60 to $50. Message me trial on Telegram. Why is that? Because when you message me trial on Telegram, you'll be able to get 3 months free signals. 3 months free signals. 90 days at least free signals. Okay, where you'll be able to test the system, you'll be able to take some trades with the signals, you'll be able to take Forex trades, take gold trades, okay, The exit strategy is stop loss there, okay? Unless you're a student and you know how to hedge, then you can just take the 3-month signals and just hedge on your own. But for those people who are not my students, the exit strategy is using a stop. And I'm also taking the trades I give also. We'll have daily follow-ups. We'll have follow-up on the trades, take profit one, take profit two, take risk management and all these things. Our exit is usually small. We always have minimum 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio, except for when it's like gold. Sometimes we have like 2.5 to 1, you know, but the risk to reward is usually always very high. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. I always post the profits in the Telegram group. This is why I always say join the Telegram group. And when you subscribe, click the notification bells and click on the notification bells. Like I said again, in the comment section, the more questions you ask me, the more videos I make. So ask me any question, put that in the comment section, write your questions there. It can be questions about anything, put your comments there, and I'll make a video on that. I'll answer your question. And yeah, hedging is the best and secret method to grow your accounts and make profit fast. Compound fast is my secret weapon, is a secret strategy the banks are using, is a secret strategy hedge funds are using. Hedge funds that have 1 million, even if they have 10 million, they're not going to take a $50,000 loss. They're not going to take 100,000 because it's still a loss. They're not using stop loss like you. Okay, they are hedging out their trades and they're coming out with profits, taking out money all the way to the bank. All these things that I have, all these things that I bought, the car, the watches, the chains, everything, profit from the market. Put my money in my account, made profit, took my money out, used the market money to continue to make profit. Some of you have not even reached that stage, and I'm doing this all live with you. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see what type of video we have today. Maybe we'll even have a hedge today. Like, share, and we'll have a scalp. System A, system B is what I used to scalp my account. You get the software free. And yeah, we'll meet in another video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and join the free Telegram group.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and as you can see, my software is giving me a sell signal. So what I'm gonna do is it's still showing a loss, it's still showing a loss. I'm waiting for a few confirmations, and then I'm gonna take a sell for system A scalp trade. If you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I teach my students live by sharing my screen on Zoom while I'm doing stuff like this. Let me set my take profit. And I can also teach you in person. I'll be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging with you. And yeah, if you want to test the signals, you want to get 3 months free signals to test the system and everything, send me trial on Telegram, link in description below. If you don't have time to take signals, send me copy on Telegram, and that's so that you can connect straight to my account. So when I take a trade, it copies directly on your account. We started this account with 10,000. We made a hedge as our first trade, which I recorded, is in the playlist. You can check the playlist. We've made some good profits so far. We made $50 in like less than 2 minutes scalping the last time. And yeah, we are taking another trade again for system A scalp trade. And these are the kind of things that we'll be doing live with you while you learn if you go to hedgingmastermind.com. So yes, let's go back to the copy trade. For the copy trade, you need at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account, and that's because I'm going to be using hedging as a way to exit the trades on the accounts. That means there'll be no losses. Whatever profit we make, we keep, and every month the profit is split 80% for you, 20% for me. Okay. And yeah, just message me copy on Telegram and make sure to join the Telegram group. Oh, we're getting into we're getting into we're getting closer and closer to profit. Closer. Oh, oh. Okay, we still have to watch it. This is part of the system. These are the things that we teach. I think I didn't get clipped because of a little tiny spread. However, most people would have panicked. Most people would have click take profits. And I'm not saying it's bad to take. You could have taken profit from there, but I just wanted to stick to the system. And these are the part of the things that you will learn. I now have to be patient. I have to wait. I still have to watch what is going on. I'm not going to just panic. Knowing what to do is always important because you have confidence and you have assurance. Okay. I've seen this happen millions of times. I know why I'm winning, so I can continue to make more wins. And if there's any loss, I know how to handle it. And I actually know when something is losing, so I can hedge out of it. So based on experience of doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, I don't use support and resistance. I don't use indicators. I don't use moving averages, Bollinger Bands, all those rainbow things. I simply have my software, which comes free with the course. It tells me the market direction, long term, short term, It tells me when and where to buy, as you could have seen with the alerts. Okay, for scalping, even for system B, it tells me where the system B is. And yeah, it tells me where to exit the trade. Once the trend has changed, when to hedge, everything, it does it automatically with no bias, no emotions. It tells me exactly how it is in the market. And I simply just look at the market and take buys on sales based on that. So based on my experience, it's best to wait. Let's see how far this trade goes. And yeah, we could still close in some profits. We're still up some profits, or we could close at break even. We'll see. Anyways, for the copy trade, you need at least $350 to $500 in your account. And yeah, so for example, if I take a trade with $10,000 in my account and yours has 1,000, it will automatically convert my one lot into 0.1 lots on your 1,000 account. Okay, we're moving back into profit. So everything is done automatically. You don't need to do anything. And yeah, make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members. We're trying to get it to 10,000 to 15,000 by the end of this year, which I know we can do. And yeah, that's where you get updates on everything that is going on the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on. And when you click the notification bells, click all notifications so you don't miss videos like this, live streams, shorts. We're moving back into more profit. Oh, we're moving back into more profit. Should I close early? What do you guys think? Should we? Oh, yes, there you go. There you go. Take profit hits. Take profit hits. $63, almost $65, way more than we even made the last time. So there you go. We made $60 in less than 2 minutes scalping. That felt like a long time, actually. That really felt like a long time. Actually, it was in like 4 minutes scalping. Okay. And there you go. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you put the comments below. Tell me what kind of vlogs you want to see. If you have any questions, I'll answer your questions. It also helps with the engagement on the channels. And yeah, join the free Telegram group. Like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on, and we'll be right back once we have another trade in the markets. See you guys soon.